100 Fascinating Facts about Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. More than 1,300 Earths could fit inside Jupiter by volume. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. The planet is named after Jupiter, the king of the Roman gods. Jupiter is classified as a gas giant. Unlike Earth, Jupiter has no solid surface that humans could stand on. Jupiter is composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. The planet contains more than twice the mass of all the other planets combined. Jupiter's diameter is about 143,000 kilometers, 88,846 miles. Jupiter rotates faster than any other planet in the solar system. A day on Jupiter lasts only about 10 Earth hours. This rapid rotation causes the planet to bulge at its equator. Jupiter's equatorial diameter is noticeably larger than its polar diameter. A year on Jupiter lasts nearly 12 Earth years. Jupiter orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 778 million kilometers. Sunlight takes roughly 43 minutes to reach Jupiter. Jupiter is one of the brightest objects visible in Earth's night sky. Ancient astronomers observed Jupiter long before telescopes were invented. The Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei studied Jupiter through a telescope in 1610. Galileo discovered 4 large moons orbiting Jupiter. These moons are known as the Galilean moons. The 4 Galilean moons are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. Ganymede is even larger than the planet Mercury. Europa is covered by a thick shell of ice. Scientists believe a vast ocean exists beneath Europa's icy crust. Europa is considered one of the most promising places to search for extraterrestrial life. Io is the most volcanically active world in the solar system. Hundreds of active volcanoes have been detected on Io. Some volcanic plumes on Io rise hundreds of kilometers into space. Callisto is heavily covered in impact craters. Callisto preserves clues about the early solar system. Jupiter currently has more than 90 known moons. New Jovian moons continue to be discovered. Many of Jupiter's smaller moons are likely captured asteroids. Jupiter possesses a faint ring system. Its rings are much thinner and dimmer than those of Saturn. Jupiter's rings were discovered in 1979. The rings are composed mostly of dust particles. Jupiter's atmosphere is famous for its colorful cloud bands. These bands are created by powerful atmospheric currents. Light-colored bands are called zones. Darker bands are known as belts. Winds in Jupiter's atmosphere can exceed 600 kilometers per hour. Some atmospheric jets travel even faster. Jupiter experiences enormous storms. The most famous storm is the Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot is a gigantic storm larger than Earth. Scientists have observed the Great Red Spot for more than 350 years. The storm rotates counterclockwise. The Great Red Spot has been gradually shrinking over time. Despite shrinking, it remains one of the solar system's largest storms. Lightning storms occur within Jupiter's atmosphere. Some Jovian lightning bolts are more powerful than those on Earth. Jupiter's clouds contain ammonia crystals. Deeper atmospheric layers may contain water clouds. The atmosphere also contains traces of methane and other gases. Beneath the visible clouds lies a vast layer of compressed hydrogen. At greater depths, hydrogen becomes liquid. Deep inside Jupiter, hydrogen may exist as metallic hydrogen. Metallic hydrogen can conduct electricity. This unusual material helps generate Jupiter's magnetic field. Jupiter has the strongest magnetic field of any planet in the solar system. Its magnetic field is about 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. Jupiter's magnetosphere is enormous. If visible from Earth, Jupiter's magnetosphere would appear larger than the Moon in our sky. The magnetosphere traps charged particles from the Sun. These particles create powerful radiation belts around the planet. Radiation levels near Jupiter can be extremely dangerous to spacecraft. Jupiter produces spectacular auroras near its poles. These auroras are larger and more energetic than Earth's northern lights. Jupiter emits more heat than it receives from the Sun. The planet is still slowly releasing heat left over from its formation. Jupiter may have been one of the first planets to form in the solar system. Its immense gravity influenced the development of neighboring planets. Jupiter's gravity helps shape the asteroid belt. The planet can alter the paths of comets and asteroids. Some scientists believe Jupiter has helped protect Earth from certain impacts. Others suggest it can sometimes redirect objects toward the inner solar system. Jupiter's core remains a subject of scientific investigation. Recent studies suggest Jupiter may have a fuzzy or diluted core. The planet lacks a sharply defined boundary between atmosphere and interior. Spacecraft cannot simply land on Jupiter. A descending probe would encounter crushing pressures. Temperatures increase dramatically with depth. Eventually, a spacecraft would be destroyed by extreme conditions. NASA's Pioneer 10 was the first spacecraft to fly past Jupiter. Pioneer 10 reached Jupiter in 1973. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 later revealed stunning details of the Jovian system. The spacecraft Galileo orbited Jupiter from 1995 to 2003. Galileo deployed a probe into Jupiter's atmosphere. The probe transmitted valuable data before being destroyed. NASA's Juno entered orbit around Jupiter in 2016. Juno studies Jupiter's atmosphere, gravity, and magnetic field. Juno has captured some of the most detailed images ever taken of Jupiter. Future missions will continue exploring Jupiter and its moons. Scientists are especially interested in Europa's hidden ocean. Jupiter remains essential to understanding how planetary systems form. The giant planet still holds many mysteries waiting to be solved. Despite centuries of observation, Jupiter continues to surprise scientists with new discoveries about the largest world in our solar system. Rocket emoji, ringed planet.